Let's make 2 drinks from the Kraken Rum, Seeing Red and Witch's Brew. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make 2 drinks, well, 1 drink with 2 names from the Kraken Rum. We're going to make the Seeing Red and we're going to make the Witch's Brew. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy both of these drinks, whichever name you give it. The Witch's Brew and Seeing Red both get separate entries on the Kraken Rum's website. However, the ingredients that go into both these cocktails are exactly the same. There are some minor cosmetic differences, and I'll cover those in just a moment, but really it's one drink. Why does it have 2 names from the same producer? I don't know. A note on the glass. The Witch's Brew specifies a witch's cauldron. The witch's cauldron was a Kraken Rum limited edition glass that you could get on their website. However, it is no longer available in their merchandise shop. So if you want to use the Witch's Cauldron, then you have to get it through a secondhand store somehow. The Seeing Red, on the other hand, does not specify a glass. The picture shows something that looks like a hurricane. I'm going to be using a Poco Grande. But really, use a glass that you like. Unless you want to use a Witch's Brew, in which case, get the cauldron. A note on the ice. Both of these drinks are made the same way, but one specifies crushed ice while the other one does not. I'm not going to be crushing ice today, but if you want to crush ice, feel free to do so. A note on the rum. If you want to make either one of these drinks, the Witch's Brew or the Seeing Red, both from Kraken Rum, then you really have to use their Kraken Black Spiced Rum. You can try these drinks with another rum if you so desire, but then you're not really making their proprietary cocktails. We're going to make both of these drinks in the glass, and to start, we're going to put the ice. You can use crushed ice if you want, like I said before. I'm not using crushed ice today. I'm not using that ice cube today. So I'm going to start with the rum. 2 parts rum. In this case, parts for me is going to mean ounce. 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. Half an ounce of lime juice. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. 3 ounces or 3 parts or 90 milliliters of pineapple juice. I'm going to add a little bit more ice just to top this off. Just 1 is enough. The garnish, there is no garnish listed. The picture of the Seeing Red has a very red looking drink. I don't know if you can see this, but that doesn't look red at all. And it asks for a splash of grenadine. A splash of grenadine is not going to turn this red. Kraken, you need a better picture, a more realistic one at least. So the garnish is actually the splash of grenadine, which I'm going to try and float on top. Note that I do make my own grenadine. The recipe is here on the channel if you'd like to check it out. Yeah, that's not going to do anything, is it? It's just sinking to the bottom, which is fine. I expected that from grenadine. It's kind of a rebellious syrup. And that's it. I think I was saying something, but let me know in the comments down below what I forgot. Garnish. The picture of the Seeing Red does show some pineapple leaves, so if you have pineapple leaves and want to stick them in, feel free to do so. I'm not going to today. I'm just going to drink it as is. And there you have it, the Witch's Brew and the Seeing Red. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Why did they name the same drink 2 different things? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'd love to hear the theories. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up for a like, give me a subscribe if you really enjoy what I'm doing here. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this drink. Cheers.